my friends, welcome to this video which is part of the series about electricity. We've seen in the previous video the theory about the cabling of a house, and now we'll join the practice in showing you how this circuit is concretely organized, and this will lead to other videos about, for instance, the simple plug, the double plug, or a switch. Let's go. Okay, so here's the display. Arrival of the electricity on the circuit breaker. Then we have one plug here. There's a double plug here. Then we put the switch and the light. This is the operation that you shouldn't be doing yourself. Much better to leave this to professionals. Cable here, you need to put it here in this plug. So now this cable is in the wall, you don't see it normally, and I will make sure that I have enough length within this plug here. now we are following the journey. So this plug is working, and this cable here will be feeding in electricity the switch as well as the light. And then I have this cable, and this cable is connected to a bulb. So this will be our lightning. And this cable will also be hidden within this block where the switch is. So very often the way that you will see the cable is this one, because this is like if cables would be coming out of the wall. Now we'll be checking if all of this is working. I'm switching on the circuit breaker, and as a reminder, here this cable is feeding this plug. We made the connections within the plug with this other cable. This cable is feeding the double plug from the top. So we connected inside the two plugs, and then the cable continued the journey towards the switch. And now we will be checking if all of this is working. So we're using the radio test. Yes, it works. Yes, it works as well. It works as well. And to end with, the switch works as well. That's it, my friends. Now you've had the overview about how a electrical circuit is organized, and I will show you now more in detail what is inside a plug. We'll have a simple plug, we'll have a double plug, and we'll have a switch. And now we will go more into the details, so I invite you to join my video about the simple plug. See you in a minute on Happy Hour TV 1.